Hi my dear children, now we are going to learn about the verb which is divided into two, finite verb and non-finite verb. What is finite verb? Finite verb, it shows tense form. Finite verb, it shows tense form. If we can find out the tense form, that is finite verb. Here they like 10 years. Here like is which tense? Present tense. We can find out the tense form. So that is finite verb. And she likes 10 years. Likes is present tense. That is also present tense. We can find out the tense form, so it is finite verb. And how here use like and here use likes, that already I said. If it is I, you, we, they didn't add s with the verb. If it is he, she, it add s with the verb. And here they loved tennis. Here loud is which tense? Past tense. We can find out the tense form, so it is finite verb. And they are or they were, that all shows they are is which tense? Is it is auxiliary verbs. Are, were, is, was, that all auxiliary verbs. No problem, because it find out the tense form. Are is which tense? Present tense. Were is present tense. That all finite verb. And here is which tense? Present tense. And was is past tense. If we find out the tense form, that is finite verb. For example, they got home every last night. They got is which tense? Past tense. Get, got. Then got is past tense, so that is we can find out the tense form, so that is finite verb. And you promised me the last night. Here promised is which tense? Past tense, so we can find out the tense form, that is finite verb. Then what is non-finite verb? Non-finite verb, it does not show tense form. Here it shows tense form. It does not show tense form. For example, verb along with the ing we can see in finite verb. That is finite verb. Verb along with the ing. For example, walking, listening, talking. That all in non-finite verb. Then to plus verb, to walk, to listen, to talk, that all what? Finite verb. It does not show tense forms. We can easily find out verb along with ing, that is non-finite verb, and to plus verb, to along with the verb, that is non-finite verb. I'm going to tell. Here going is which tense? Go plus ing. We can see non-finite verb. And to tell, here to along with the tell, that is also non-finite verb. And playing cricket, here play plus ing, playing, that is which tense? We cannot find out tense forms. Play along with the verb along with ing, that is non-finite verb. And sailing is my favorite sport. Sailing, which tense? We cannot find out tense forms. Sailing, sail is verb along with ing, that is non-finite verb. And here is which one? Is already know, that is finite verb. Then sailing is non-finite. I struggle to understand. Okay, verb with the to, that is which one? Non-finite verb. And you have to look this example. It is important to realize the benefit of sports. It is which one? Is finite verb. And to realize, here we can see to with verb. To realize, that is non-finite. This one is here. This one is non-finite, and this one is finite. Okay. Then next one is, he is willing to take up the job. Is which one? Is finite. And to take is which one? Non-finite. And Rahul likes to collect stamps. And Rahul likes, here Rahul, if it is Rahul, he, so here verb along with the s is used. It is a present tense. We can find out the tense form. This is present tense, so it is finite. Here this one is finite. And to collect is which tense? That is non-finite. Which verb? Non-finite verb. Here likes is finite verb and collect is non-finite verb. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, you have to contact me. Thank you. Next, all of you take page number 81. Underline the finite verbs and circle the non-finite verbs. And here what is finite verbs? Finite verb means if we can find out the tense forms, that is finite verbs. And non-finite verb, what is the verb plus ing and to along with the verb, that is non-finite verbs. We can easily find out the non-finite verbs. And Adul, first one, Adul enjoys playing football. Here enjoys is finite verb. We can find out the tense form. So enjoys, that is finite forms. So underline. And playing, play is verb and plus ing, playing, that is infinite. So we have to circle it. And next one, Tina likes collecting old photographs. Here likes is finite verb and collecting is which one? Non-finite verb. Here Tina is pronoun is she, so we have to use here likes. Add s, okay, verb along with the s is used. And next one, the lawyer refuses to listen to his client. Here refuses is the finite verb and to listen, that is the infinite verb. Here to along with the verb, that is infinite, and refuses. The lawyer, it may be he or she, so refuses, verb along with s is used, that is finite verb. And Seema dislikes eating sweets. Here dislikes is the finite verb and here eating is the non-finite. Here eat plus ing, then that is non-finite. We were at the station to receive our guest. Here were is which tense? Were is past tense. So were is finite verb. We can find out the tense forms, that is finite verb. And to receive, that is non-finite. Then children often forget to do their homework. Here forget is which tense? We know the present forget and forgot is the past tense. Here present tense, so this one is finite. And to do with the verb do, so that is non-finite. And next one, Nita likes to collect stamps. Likes, that is the finite, and to collect is the non-finite. Next one, barking dogs seldom bite. Here barking, verb plus ing, barking, that is non-finite. So circle. And bite bit bitten, bite bitten. So bite is present tense. So this one is which one? Finite. We can find out the tense forms, that is finite.